Good morning, guys.
Hi, Mr. Will we take
Good
another
morning.
Good morning for all.
lesson or we will revise?
You
Mr.
listen.
will we-
You listen. You listen. Human
This
body
will be
systems.
exam?
Human
This will
body
be-
systems. We will start by
Mister, is my voice
digestive
like-
system. From your booklet.
Mister, can you hear me good?
Yes, please raise your voice.
Is this better?
Yes, it's okay now.
Yes.
Digestive system. Today we'll start by studying digestive system. From your booklet, we will study all the human body systems. We will start by digestive systems. Digestive system, combination between mechanical and chemical process. Here you can see in the chart, digestive system, the parts of digestive system. Enough?
Well, sir, I have the booklet of body systems. The
Yes.
booklet.
Booklet, from your booklet. Now we will study from your booklet, yes.
Okay.
Anus, small intestine, pancreas, rectum, large intestine, stomach, liver, mouth. Digestive systems. I need a student for reading.
Mr. Me, please.
Yes, Ahmed Mufid. Ahmed Mufid.
Okay, human digestive system, the system used in the human body for the process of digestion. The human digestive system consists primarily
Yeah.
of the digestive tract, or
Yes.
the series of structure and organ through which food and liquid pass during their processing into forms absorbable into the bloodstream. The system also consists of the structure through which waste pass in the process of elimination and other organs that contribute juices necessary for the digestive process.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Human digestive system, we know this system used in the human body for process of digestion. You eat the food. Your mouth begin by this process. After the mouth, we move to the stomach. There's many steps. We will study these steps. Digestive systems, a system that breaks food down into chemical nutrients that body cells need for energy, growth, and repair. How digestion process happens? We know that digestion happens in two ways, either mechanical or chemical. We will start in the mouth. Charmel, unmute yourself and read.
Mouth. Teeth. The teeth are hard. White structures found in the mouth. They help us in chewing the food before swallowing. Tongue. The tongue helps us in speaking and tasting. It has specialized cells known as taste buds. Salivary glands food. The food glands
Is
food is
It's tested, yeah?
It says and mixed with saliva that is secreted by several sets of glands known as salivary glands. This area of
It's
Better.
tested. Thank you.
salt.
Test areas on the human tongue, yes? The tongue for testing. The tongue used for tasting. There's many regions for sour, salt, sweet, and the tongue. Now, the mouth has teeth, and the teeth is so hard and wide structures. It's used for breaking down the food, for cutting the food before swallowing, and the tongue for tasting and speaking. This is for mouth. Yazan Bilal, esophagus.
Mr.
Yazan Bilal. Yes.
Can I read?
Yes, mister. Yes.
Yes, Yazan Bilal. After Yazan you can. Yazan.
Esophagus. Esophagus is located.
Esophagus.
Esophagus is located in your. Esophagus is located in your throat near your trachea windpipe. The esophagus receives food from your mouth when you swallow by means of a series of muscular contractions called peristalsis. The esophagus
Peristalsis. Yes.
Peristalsis. The esophagus delivers food to your stomach. It's also known as food pipe.
Yes. Here you can see in the chart esophagus, not here, esophagus. In your throat, located in your throat, near your trachea. Receive the food from the mouth. It receives the food from the mouth. Yes. And reach it to the stomach. Delivers food to the stomach. Receive from the mouth and deliver food to the stomach. It has other name, food pipe, esophagus or food pipe.
Mister, can I read the second slide?
Yes, liver, yes.
Liver. The liver has multiple functions, but its main function within the digestive system is to process the nutrients absorbed from the small intestine. It takes the raw materials absorbed by the intestine and makes all the various chemicals the body needs to function. It breaks down and secretes many drugs. It secretes bile juice.
Okay, thank you. The liver has multiple functions.
Will take the digestive system only, or will take the respiratory today?
No, only digestive system. And this week, digestive system. Into this week.
Means each week we'll take a system. We'll take one system each week.
Yes, maybe after 2 weeks, we'll study 2 systems, maybe.
It's written in page 1 in the booklet.
Yes.
The digestive system, a system that breaks food down into chemical.
Yes. In page 1, yes.
That's why we're gonna take it every week, because for booklet and book.
Booklet maybe 1 month.
Okay.
Liver has many functions. The liver has many functions.
System on the exam or not?
Yes.
Listen
Yes. Delay your question for revision. Last period for revisions. Has many functions. The liver absorb from the small intestines. You know the small intestines?
Yeah, we know I know the large intestine
Mister.
and small intestine.
Mister, what's the liver? It's make what liver?
In Arabic, الكبد.
What?
Organ.
كبد.
Okay. Absorbed from the small intestines. The small intestine after the stomach. The liver absorbed from the small intestines. Takes the raw materials from the stomach, after the stomach. After a little, we will see a video show all the parts. Takes the raw materials absorbed by the intestines. It is the main function for liver. Stomach. Rami Awar.
Yes, Mister. Okay. The stomach is a hollow organ or container that holds food while it is being mixed with enzymes that continue the process of breaking down food into a soluble form. When the contents of the stomach are sufficiently proceed, they are released into the small intestine.
Intestine.
Its secretes
Secrets juice.
gastric juice.
Yes. The stomach define whole organs or container for the food. Whole organ
Mister,
or
there is someone with us in grade 2D.
what?
Mister.
There's someone with us 2D.
No, maybe the brother. Oh, me. I'm sorry, my brother.
Okay.
Okay.
Please stop your question. When we finish, you can ask.
The Mister, what is the gastric juice and the bile juice?
Wait. We explain.
Mister, which page in the book?
Not in the book, from your booklet.
Booklet?
Yes.
Page what in the booklet?
Page 1.
Okay.
Page 1.
Wait. Page 1 only?
Now page 1.
Mister, I don't have the booklet.
Try to get it. Okay.
Stop.
I just woke up.
Okay. The stomach is hollow organs, define hollow organ or container. Holds food. Hold the food that's coming from the mouth. Mixed by enzymes. Mixed by enzymes. Enzymes continue this process, breaking down the food inside the stomach. Now, here the contents. HCl, chloride hydrogen. The stomach produces chloride hydrogens.
Mister,
Becomes gastric juice.
Mister, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
In the stomach, when the food come in the stomach,
Yeah.
if it want to make waste to get rid of the waste and get something that is not good, the stomach put the something that it's not good. Where in the waste?
It will.
The kidneys.
It will leave the stomach.
Kidneys.
Yes. We
And
leave
go
the
to
stomach to the
kidneys.
other parts. There's many parts after the stomach. You will study it.
Sir, what is the gastric juice?
Gastric,
Yes.
like the juice, but special for stomach,
Like
for
what?
absorbing the food. Like the juice.
In the
HCl.
stomach?
Yeah.
Mister, what is enzymes?
Like root when it absorbs the water.
Please,
Like
when
the
you
roots when
finish,
it absorbs.
delay your question. When you finish, after the video, you can ask.
Mister,
Yes. Pancreas.
it's like the stomach is it's like a root absorbing water for the plant.
Yeah. Absorbing water,
Sir, can
absorbing
I
water
read?
and nutrient. Yes.
Can I read?
Read.
Okay, the pancreas secretes digestive enzymes into the duodenum, the first segment of the small intestine. These enzymes break down protein, fats, and carbohydrates. The pancreas also makes insulin, secreting it directly into the bloodstream. It secretes bile juice.
Thank you. Pancreas regulate the sugar. Pancreas regulate the sugar. Digestive enzymes inside the stomach. Here, when we reach to the small intestines. Small intestine. There's two kinds: small intestines and large intestines. Continue the process. These enzymes break down protein, specialized by protein. Enzymes break down protein and fat and carbohydrates. Enzymes break down protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Pancreas regulate the insulin for sugar, for blood sugar. Small intestines. Nuruddin. Nuruddin.
Mister, do you hear me? Contest of the small
Nuruddin.
Mister, he's talking. You cannot hear him?
No. Nuruddin, raise your voice.
Do you hear me well?
Sir, can I read?
Okay, I'll choose other students. Yes.
Contents of the small
Obada Ramzi.
intestine start out semi-solid.
Contents of the small intestine start out semi-solid and end in a liquid form after passing through the organ. Water, bile, enzymes, and mucus contribute to the change of consistency. Once the nutrients have been absorbed and the leftover food recede.
Okay, thank you. Small intestines. The food, when reached the small intestines, it's semi-solid. When the food reaches to the small intestines, it exists in semi-solid. When it leaves the small intestines, it will become liquid. Semi-solid becomes liquid in the end of the small intestines after passing through this organ. When the food passes these organs, in the beginning, semi-solid. When he reaches the end, it will become to liquid. Continue, the small intestine continue this process, continue digestion. Small intestine absorbs some materials from the food. Here you can see small intestines, large intestines. Now we reach to the large intestines. Zulfaqar.
Yes.
Continue.
The large intestine It is always in invertebrate animal. Its function is to absorb water from the remaining digestive food matter and, and then to pass unless useless waste material from the body. The large intestine is about 4.9 feet long, which is about 1/5 of whole length in an intestinal canal.
Okay, thank you. When the food passes from the small intestines, there's many matters undigestible. The large intestines continue absorbing the remaining indigestible. And large intestines, always invertebrate animals. Exist invertebrate animals. It continue absorbing the remaining indigestible food matters. Its length about 4.9 feet. 4.9 feet. It's long, 4.9 feet. Rectum. طلحة.
Yes, mister.
Read.
The rectum, Latin for straight, is an 8-inch chamber that connects the colon to the anus. When anything gas or stool comes into the rectum, sensors send a message to the brain. The brain then decides if the rectal contents can be released or not.
Yes. Rectum means the straight. Send a message for the brain, and the brain decides if the body will be released or not. From the west. Anus.
Mister, can I read?
Yes.
Anus. The anus is the last part of the digestive tract. It is a 2-inch long canal. The lining of the upper anus is specialized to detect rectal contents. Specialized to
detect rectal contents.
It lets you know whether the contents are liquid, gas, or solid. The anus is surrounded by sphincter muscles that are important in allowing control of stool.
Okay, thank you. Last part of the digestive system, anus, make the person feel if the waste is liquid or gas or solid. It has about 2-inch long. Now let's watch a video.
Mister?
Wait a little, please. Now watch a video.
The digestive system. Our digestive system is a combination of mechanical and chemical actions. Imagine putting your food in a petri dish, chopping it up and exposing it to a bunch of chemicals and microbes. Can you imagine what it would look like in the end? This is what the digestive system does. Mouth. The journey down the alimentary canal begins in the mouth. Here, the food is broken down into smaller chewable pieces. Chewing breaks the food into pieces while the saliva mixes with food to begin the process of breaking it down into a form your body can absorb and use. Rolling action of the tongue and secretion of saliva rolls food into a bolus. The saliva contains water, electrolytes, antibacterial components and enzymes, such as the amylase. Amylase converts carbohydrates into sugars. Throat. The throat is the region where the mouth cavity and the nasal passages join. Swallowing pushes the food through the throat, or pharynx, and into the esophagus. An important function of the throat is that it prevents the food from entering into the trachea, more commonly known as the windpipe. When the food enters our throat, the larynx, or our voice box, closes. This results in epiglottis covering the entrance of the trachea, or windpipe. The epiglottis is a flap of tissue. Esophagus. Now that the food has reached the esophagus, a wave of smooth muscle contractions occurs, pushing the food into the stomach. These smooth muscle movements are called peristalsis. The importance of sphincter muscles. 3 types of sphincter muscles help in the digestive system. Here, at the junction of the esophagus and the stomach, is a thick ring of circular, smooth muscle that prevents the movement of food pass from esophagus into the stomach. It is called the esophageal sphincter. Another sphincter muscle, the pyloric sphincter, directs the passage of food from the stomach into the intestine. The third sphincter muscle surrounds the anus, stomach. Most of us eat our food in a matter of minutes, but digesting it can take hours. One of the important functions of our stomach is to store food until it is digested. Food can be stored here for 2 to 6 hours. It also kills the microorganisms we consume unconsciously, along with our food, and begins the digestion of the proteins we took in our diet. The stomach secretes gastric juice, hydrochloric acid, water, mucus, pepsin, and renin that continue the process of breaking down the food. Pepsin is secreted as pepsinogen by cells in the gastric glands that are present in the deep folds of the stomach lining. Other cells in the gastric glands produce hydrochloric acid, which has a pH balance between 1 and 3. The low pH helps convert pepsinogen to pepsin and is also the right pH for pepsin's enzymatic action. Hydrochloric acid, or HCl, also helps break the bonds holding the ingested contents together. The breakdown of these food contents exposes more surface area to the action of pepsin, and later to the other digestive enzymes in the small intestine. Mucus secreted by the stomach lines the walls of the stomach and protects them from being digested by HCl and pepsin. If this coating is eroded at some place of the stomach, for instance by the attack of bacteria Helicobacter pylori, it can cause an ulcer. Contractions of the smooth muscles in the walls of the stomach roll around its contents, mixing partly digested food with enzymes and acids. This acidic, fluid mixture of gastric juice is called chyme. Peristaltic movements of the stomach walls push chyme towards the end of the stomach. These waves of peristalsis cause the pyloric sphincter to relax briefly, so that very little amounts of chyme can enter the small intestine. In this way, our stomach empties itself gradually over a period of almost 4 hours. The small intestine works on a small amount of food at a time. We'll continue to explain the small intestine, pancreas, liver.
Okay, open your booklet. Open your booklet. Page 2. Page 2.
Mister, I don't have the Mister.
Page 2.
Mister,
Yes.
I don't have the booklet. What is this book? Because they didn't give it to us in the list.
Why are you don't have? Why? You have to get it. You have to get it. Number one. Who can answer number 1? Number 1. Yasin.
Yes.
Answer number 1. Answer number 1.
I made number 1 in page 2.
Yes.
A living complete the concept map by filling in answers where blanks appear. All living things are made of cell.
Number 1. What's the answer?
Which Mr. Page 2 or 3?
Page 2, first blank. Page 2, first blank. From the workbooks.
Yes, I opened the workbook, page 2. They are telling me all living things are made of cell.
Not the word.
No.
Booklet.
Booklet.
I'm opening the booklet. I'm opening
Your
the
booklet
book.
that
Mr.
is from the
Abihad.
school.
The pink.
Your booklet from the school.
I have it.
This,
This booklet. Booklet that
this
from the
page.
school.
This
That
is the
workbook.
workbook. The booklet is the pink one. Hussein, open the camera and show them.
Mr.
Someone open the camera and show them.
This one. I have it.
Yes.
I have it.
This.
Yes.
I have it. I will bring it. I didn't know that we will need.
Yes. Number one.
Mr. Can I answer number 1?
Yes, see number 1.
Yes, Mr.
Number 1. Answer.
Number 1. Page 1. Page 2, Mr.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yes. The wave-like contraction and muscles in the organs of the digestive system.
Yes. Peristalsis. Answer. Peristalsis. Number 2.
Me, Mr. Hussein Shihab.
Hussein
So what is
Shihab.
number 1? Mr. What is
Okay.
number 1? Mr. What is number 1?
Peristalsis. Number 2.
A big pink muscular bag where your food gets mixed with digestive chemicals. Stomach.
Yes. Stomach. Excellent. Perfect. Number 3.
Can I answer?
Yes.
It's villi.
Villi.
Okay.
Mr. Can I answer?
Number 3. Villi. Number 4.
Mr. Can I answer?
Muhammad Hassan. Yes.
Okay. This is where most of the digestion and absorption of food takes place. It's large intestine.
Small intestines.
Yeah. Intestine.
Small intestine. Number 5.
First one. What is
Number
the
5.
first one?
Yazan. Number 5.
First
The
one.
muscular tube where food passes from the mouth to the stomach. Esophagus.
Esophagus.
Mr. What is the first one?
Check your answer. Check your answer.
Yes.
Wait, Mr. Right.
Okay, we'll continue with the next lesson. Time's up. Now.
Mr. Wait, I didn't finish. Mr. I didn't finish.
We will continue with the next lessons.
Mr. But I didn't finish, and Mr. I didn't understand the digestive system. It's hard.
We will continue on the next lesson.
Tomorrow.
4 period for digestive system.
Mr. Tomorrow is the exam.
Yes.
Mr.
Tomorrow is the exam.
Mr. The digestive system will come in the exam.
This incoming exam? No.
No.
The midterm.
Okay, thank you. Now I will close. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, bye. Thank you.